Hey guys, this is Ghost Topic here, and we're gonna wander through this new forest, and this is our first video, so please make sure you like it and subscribe. Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's go take it right here. Take it right here.
Yeah.
Also, in the morning, we'll show you guys a camp that I made at my house, and this is exactly at my house. Just be like, what are the reasons where you put the camera plug? Firestone, okay? So I don't want to see more license plates and stuff with cars. But, so basically we're just wandering down to my camp, and hopefully maybe we'll make it further than that tonight. So basically, what happened was, well, a year ago, we kind of found a gravestone in our middle of our, basically in the middle of our field. And it was kind of creepy, so we decided to make a video this year of us together, and we just made this channel, so please make sure to subscribe.
Look how dark it is.
Oh, that is so dark.
Oh yeah, if you hear a dog, that's just
my neighbors.
my buddy's neighbor's dog.
Yeah.
No hellhounds.
Left or right?
Let's see. Look how dark it is. It's so creepy. Ah, no, stick. Ow.
Also, when you're doing these videos, another good thing is, especially when you're enforced in the dark, make sure you have a knife or something that'll help you do something else. So basically, here's my teepee. I built this with my cousin and my buddy here. And basically, do you want to continue?
Yeah. Why not?
Keep moving all the way to the end, and then walk back up in the field.
Yeah, why not?
Okay. So, just look out for our own account. So basically, our other channels is Plasma Stone
2000
and Firestone 9000.
And
so
yeah.
Make sure you go over and subscribe to them.
Firestone 9000 and Plasma Stone 2000. Plasma Stone with a capital P, no space. Firestone, capital S. Ah! That not happen.
Also, if you see tracks in the video, it's because today we kind of came down here before in the light to see what would happen when we went down here. We're basically trying to afford the cat.
Yeah.
In the daylight, so we kind of knew where sticks and stuff were. Watch your foot. And also, there's an overhead tree right here, Jake. Duck. I need to stick. So guys, just make sure you're careful doing this at night, because people can scare.
What are those?
My shoes.
I know. Oh, sorry, yeah.
Okay, we'll just move over this way. Just because of this.
What's this? Pocket gopher?
Yeah.
I hate these evil creatures.
You know what's funny about this knife? Anyways. Okay, let's just head up this way. Once we get up to the house, we'll end the video here. We'll end the video on my porch. And we'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, we just had to cut that out for you so you didn't have to watch us lamely walk all the way back here. But yeah, let's keep going this way. Oh. I'm blinded. Alright, so we're just gonna go around this random tree. Oh yeah, my dad made this, so blah blah blah. Alright, that's right.
Any dead animals?
Oh, I know what we need to do. Okay, before we end the video, we need to go to the graveyard.
The graveyard?
Yeah.
Just great. Wait, is there anything planted on this?
Yeah. Keep going up this way.
It's so dark, the camera. Oh,
hey.
Blurred. Wait, it blurred.
It did?
Wait. Focus. Focus. Okay, it's clear. Okay, so.
But anyways.
If it's blurry.
We're very terribly sorry.
So. You're wrong.
Oh, let's go through here.
What is this?
Oh.
So long.
Dude. Look.
What's this?
Oh.
Ah! Focus! Why don't you? What is this?
Okay, guys in the chat,
There
can you
we
just tell us, what do you think this is in this hole? And if you want us to take a video of us digging this out, let's get 2 likes, at least, because we're just starting the channel out, and at least 2 subscribers, okay? Thank you. Alright, let's keep moving. Watch your head.
Creepy. It's like,
Yeah.
ah, hello, little creature.
Oh god, that is creepy.
Look at it. Do you see it? Hello.
Oh, it flew away.
Oh wait, I was looking at a spider.
Oh.
Plasma.
You know me and my imagination.
Yeah, pretty nuts.
I love flying.
Don't tell my secret.
Alright, we're just coming up to the end of here, and then we'll walk back down to the graveyard.
Hey, sticks.
You coming, Fire?
Yeah. Just these sticks here. Oh, okay.
If you want us to explore this in the dark, tell us. By the way, it is Friday the 13th.
Oh yeah, Friday the 13th in Halloween month, October.
Watch out for the arrows.
Okay. And yeah, it's just kind of a.
If you want to do this on your own at your own house and you have lots of trees, make sure you have at least a knife, a flashlight, and a friend with you.
Yeah, don't do it alone.
Yeah.
That's stupid. Yeah, that's I think where we're gonna end it. We will do more of this.
And if you want us to go explore down that little strange tunnel thingy that I found and
Please
see
subscribe.
what that hole is,
Please
then subscribe.
and like the video.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching, guys.
And
See ya.
bye.